What's up, guys? In this video, I'm just giving a notification to you guys that I will be gifting $100 worth of Bitcoin by random draw. And I'm doing it to you guys that have already started participating in the platform, and for those of you guys that actively engage in sharing your experience about the platform. So to do this and to qualify, first and foremost, you have to be within the first 100 transactions that have occurred. If your transaction came in after that, no worries, because I'll probably end up doing this again. And I would definitely continue to do this for every every batch of 100 transactions throughout the month of March. So in order to qualify for this, there are two things that are required. Number one, in this one, you have to participate, or you have to have had a transaction within the first 100 transactions. The second thing is to leave a comment. So when you come and log into your wallet, you're going to notice a YouTube link here, okay, next to your dashboard. Just click on this link and it's going to direct you to this video. This video doesn't exist yet, so it's directed to a different video, but it will direct to this one. And from here, I want you to simply leave a comment. And this comment should contain every transaction ID for deposits that you have received up till now, okay? And in order to access that quickly, just click on your on-chain deposits, and over here you'll see the transaction ID. Just click on that. It'll take you to the mempool, but that will give you a full view of your transaction. You can click on that to copy it and simply come out to this URL link or this video and enter in all of the transaction IDs that apply. Okay, so however many you have, take those, because this random draw is going to be based on the transaction ID. So if you have multiple transaction IDs, that's just going to increase your odds of winning the $100 worth of Bitcoin. Okay, so do this, and in addition to leaving your transaction IDs, leave a true and honest comment about your experience in the wallet. If it sucks, it's like, well, not too happy with the platform, right? If you like it, if you enjoy it, leave your comments, because the thing is, I want true and honest feedback from you guys, okay? So this right here will help reward you by specifying your transaction IDs, and leaving your true and honest feedback will give me feedback on if anything needs to be updated, any shortcomings, or if you are actually gaining money. Please share that through these comments as well, okay? So I will be releasing this video, probably it's going on 7 a.m. now. I'll probably release it by 9 a.m. or something like that. So I will be giving you guys the rest of the day throughout March the 21st, Eastern Standard Time, to come out and leave a comment. Those of you that catch this video, that follow me and stuff like that, hey, you have a better chance. So we want to get this information out here, and your participation, guys, is critical. We have over 100 transactions, but very few of you guys are posting your experiences in my videos, and this would greatly help get the platform out and be beneficial to not only you, but to the platform itself and to others that get wind of this project. All right, so I will be releasing another video tomorrow where I actually go through the process, and we're going to do like a spin the wheel or something like that, and I will upload all of the first 100 transactions, their IDs, put them in the system, find out who it belongs to, and I'll do the transfer in that video tomorrow. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this one. Go on out there, log into your account, grab your transaction ID, load them up into whatever video this links you to, and once this is over, that link will be gone. All right, guys, we'll holla on the next one. Peace out.